In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish an event on WIX with tickets and payments. We'll start inside your WIX site. Open the site where you want to showcase your event, then head to the left-hand toolbar and select Add Apps to open the WIX app market. In the search bar, type Events. Choose the official WIX Events and Tickets app and click Add to Site. Confirm any pop-ups. The app is free to install and it automatically creates an events page and drops helpful event elements onto your site so you have a solid starting point without building everything from scratch. Once the app installs, you'll see an event widget on your page or a brand new events page in your site menu. You can simply drag and drop the event section to where you want it to appear. Under a heading like Upcoming Events or Workshops, works well for visitors who are scanning your page. Now let's create your first event. Click the Events section on the page and choose Manage Events. In the top right, select Add Event. You'll be asked to choose between a ticketed event, which lets you sell or offer tickets, and an RSVP event, which is perfect for private gatherings or simple signups. Give your event a clear, memorable name, add a short description, pick a category such as marketing, and upload an image if you have one to make it visually engaging. Next, set your date, time, and location. Choose whether this is a single event or a recurring one. For example, you might set the date to 24 August, the time from 7:02 p.m. to 9:00 p.m., and select the London time zone. You can enable display time zone so attendees in other regions see accurate information. Under location, enter the venue like London Eye, London. WIX automatically adds a map so guests can find you easily. If you'd like, include a longer About the Event section for more context. Click Create Draft to save everything without going live yet. With the draft saved, open the event editor and click Create Tickets. Add a ticket type, choose pricing, fixed price like 20 GBP, free, pay what you want, or tiered options, and set a quantity limit if you want to cap attendance. Configure how you handle service fees, set your ticket policy, and define the sale period. When you're happy, click Create Ticket. Before you can sell, connect payments. In the events dashboard, open Settings, go to Payment Methods, and add Stripe or PayPal. For PayPal, enter your business email, connect, and save. Review the transaction fee details displayed. When everything looks good, return to your event in drafts and publish it. Finally, click Preview, go to your events page, and run through the Buy Tickets flow to confirm tickets display correctly, checkout works smoothly, and funds route to your connected payment method. That's how you create and publish an event on WIX, including ticket sales and payment setup. With the WIX Events and Tickets app, you can add one-time or recurring events, set ticket prices and limits, connect PayPal or Stripe, and let visitors buy tickets directly on your site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next